Nur Asyikin Binti Roslan reporting the news about Malaysian children not learning sufficiently in school. This has been a concern in Malaysia, especially the Ministry of Education, parents and also teachers. How and why did this happen? So today I will be reporting about the study of teachers' view of less proficient students in learning and behavior to maybe tackle the problem. This study aims to comprehensively explore teachers' perspective on less proficient students in learning and behavior. A recent study emphasized the significant role of teacher perception in shaping student outcomes, particularly for those who struggle academically or behaviorally. Hassan and Slamat 2020. There are 4 objectives in this study that consist of what teachers face with less proficient students in terms of learning and behavior. There are 3 theoretical perspectives that will be used. Constructivist learning theory, Piaget 1950, behaviorist theory, Skinner 1938, Vygotsky's sociocultural theory 1978. The first study of related research articles highlight a key challenge and teacher expectations shape student outcomes. The second study reinforced the importance of teacher and student relationships in managing behavior. The third study underscores the role of institutional support in shaping teacher attitudes. The fourth study supports the idea that traditional teaching methods are less effective for struggling students. Lastly, the final study highlights the importance of inclusive teaching strategies. Teachers need more support in differentiation techniques to address diverse classroom needs effectively. The method used is a qualitative method approach using semi-structured interview to gather in-depth insight into teachers' perspective and experience. 2 secondary school teachers selected based on their experience in handling less proficient students. There are 5 steps of the data collection procedure: interview method, participant sampling, interview question and focus area, thematic analysis approach, and ethical considerations. For thematic analysis consists of 4 steps, which are step 1, transcribing interview, identifying codes, categorization, and comparing responses. There are 8 interview questions that has been asked to both of the teachers. The question consists of perspective, challenges, and also opinion. For the perception of students category, teacher A emphasized laziness as a major factor why teacher B pointed out that some students have good behavior despite academic struggles. For the challenges faced, both teachers noted that lack of parental involvement, behavioral issue, and the absence of institutional support significantly hinder student progress. For strategies for engagement, teacher A relied on ICT tools and animation to engage students, while teacher B focused on vocational training and hands-on skills. Lastly, for behavior management, both teachers agreed that students need attention and care to improve their behavior. The teacher's perception on students significantly impact how they approach teaching and the level of engagement they expect. Both teachers emphasize the importance of fostering strong relationships with students as a way to manage classroom behavior effectively. Teachers who feel supported by their school administration and have access to resources are more equipped to handle the challenge posed by less proficient students. Engaging students to the diverse instruction strategy is crucial for addressing different learning needs. Parental involvement remains a major challenge. These are the 5 supporting findings with evidence. The study highlights that teachers' perception, instructional strategy, school support, and parental involvement play significant roles in shaping the learning and behavior of less proficient students. For further research, investigate the impact of professional development programs, exploring the role of socio-emotional learning, assessing the effectiveness of different parental engagement strategies, evaluating the impact of school policies and administrative support. For my recommendations, schools need to implement peer mentoring and behavioral intervention programs to support struggling students. Parents need to engage actively in their child's education by maintaining regular communication with teachers, and the Ministry of Education needs to introduce policies that encourage teacher training in inclusive education and culturally responsive pedagogy. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention.